Hello everyone. Welcome to today's tutorial on how to create a Bitcoin wallet on blockchain.com. If you're new to the cryptocurrency world or looking for a secure and user-friendly wallet, you've come to the right place. To get started, open your web browser and go to www.blockchain.com. Now, before we dive into the registration process, let me give you a quick overview of blockchain.com. Established in 2011, blockchain.com is a leading cryptocurrency platform offering a variety of services. It provides a secure and user-friendly Bitcoin wallet, allowing individuals to store, send, and receive Bitcoin. The platform also features a popular block explorer, letting users track transactions on the Bitcoin blockchain in real time. Now, let's proceed with creating your own Bitcoin wallet. Click on the Sign Up button to start the registration process. Next, you'll need to complete the registration form with your details. Make sure to provide accurate information. Once you've filled out the form, you'll receive an email confirmation. Go to your email and click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. After confirming your email, log into your newly created account using your credentials. Inside your account, navigate to the Portfolio section, and look for the Bitcoin option. Here you'll find your Bitcoin wallet address. This is the address you can share with others when you want to receive Bitcoin. If you're involved with the Affizy Network and want to withdraw your earnings, you can add your Bitcoin wallet address to facilitate that process. Remember to keep your login details secure, and consider exploring more features offered by blockchain.com to enhance your cryptocurrency experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and happy crypto journey.